Hello everyone. Welcome to today's video about how to plan a perfect budget for your Facebook ads campaigns. Now, my name is Lokesh Kaushik. I'm the digital strategist and founder director at Excel Marketing Limited, a marketing agency based in New Zealand. Now, this video is going to be very helpful for you, especially if you are setting up your new Facebook ads campaign. So this way you will know how to plan that perfect budget for your campaign. Now let's get started. Do you want to know how to set the perfect budget for your Facebook ads? Then yes, this video is definitely for you. Now, Facebook is definitely still one of the best ad platforms when it comes to running social media advertisements. Using Facebook Ads Manager, you can show up ads not only on Facebook but also on Instagram. Let's say you want to target your audience only on Instagram via Instagram stories. You can definitely do that using Facebook Ads Manager. It provides us, the marketers, a lot of functionalities, features to help us launch effective ad campaigns. Now, what it means by effective is because Facebook has a lot of data regarding your target audience. You can reach them based on their demographics, their interests, their behaviors, age group, and locations. So, this way you can definitely reach the right audience. This way you will launch effective ad campaigns, whether it is for the top of the funnel, which is to generate brand awareness for your business, or middle of the funnel, which is at the consideration stage where you want to generate more engagement, more traffic to your website, whether it is for the bottom of the funnel, which is the conversion stage where you want to generate more leads for your business, whether it is for services business or you want to sell more of your products if you have an e-commerce store, or if your website sell stuff and you want to generate more sales, you can do so. Now, if you haven't watched my previous video, I have explained in very detail about the Facebook ads sales funnel, where I've covered all of this: top of the funnel, middle of the funnel, and bottom of the funnel. And I feel this one is going to be very useful for you. So if you haven't watched it already, I suggest you definitely go and watch that video. I will add that link into the description, plus you may see a link at the top right of this video as well. Now, moving on. So before we launch the campaign, we must know what do we want to achieve. So before we launch the campaign, we must know what do we want to achieve and how much budget we need to fulfill that objective, isn't it? Now, in this video, we will talk about the Facebook budget planning and how can you come up with the correct budget for your next Facebook ads campaign. Now, what sort of objective you need to choose, that certainly depends on your goals. Your goals, it can be awareness, which is the top of the funnel. You may want to generate more awareness, get in front of more people so they know who you are, what's your business is about. Or you maybe want to generate more website traffic. You want your target audience to engage with your content, and engagement can be like, share, comment, or website traffic, which is the most important part. Then in the bottom of the funnel, you may be wanting to generate more leads. So for this video, let's say you want to generate more leads. So you're setting up conversion as an objective. Define your objectives and sales goals. First things first, before you set up the budget, you need to know how much sales revenue you want to generate via the Facebook ads campaign. Because if your objective isn't clear, then you don't know what exactly you're wanting to achieve from your campaign. What are the KPIs? So definitely number one is define your objectives and sales goals. Okay, so just keep note of this, that this applies mainly if you have a product which people can buy when visiting your website. So if you have a services business, then you may want to know how many leads you want to generate for your sales team. So in this case, let's say you want to generate $10,000 and the cost of each product that you sell on your website costs $200. Now, this is just an example. Based on your objective, you can add numbers accordingly. So in this case, $10,000 divided by 200 equals 50 sales. So you want to generate $10,000 and each product costs $200, which means to generate that $10,000 you need 50 sales, 50 conversions. Now that conversion equals number of people who purchase from your website via your ad campaigns. So you now know that you need to make 50 sales to generate your target sales revenue of $10,000. So target is 50 conversions, 50 sales, not leads, 50 sales. Now if it's a services business, especially if you're selling a high ticket item, let's say you are a commercial cleaning business, or maybe you are an accountant, then it's going to be different. As I said, then you may want to target 50 leads or 100 leads, whatever, and then you basically what you're doing is you trying to generate more leads for your sales team, and then the sales team will convert them into sales. Here is different because you are selling a product on to your website, and any user who visits your website may or may not buy that product. So basically what you want to do is you want to generate 50 sales from your ad campaign to get to generate that sales revenue, your goal of $10,000. Number two, determine how many leads you need. You need 50 conversions here, so simply you need 50 sales. Now as you know how many sales you need, the next goal is to calculate how many link clicks or landing page views you need to achieve that goal. To calculate, we need to know our average conversion rate. So what's your conversion rate? This means how many people who visits your website finally converts. Suppose your sales conversion rate is 5%, which means for every 100 landing page views, you get 5 sales. We're talking about sales here. So this particular example, it's not a lead, it's a conversion, which is sale. If you are running a services business, then you may wanting to consider how many leads that you generate from your campaign, right? I hope that's very clear. So we're talking about conversions, which are sales. So users who purchase a product that you're offering on your website. So in this example, we said, let's suppose your sales conversion is 5%, which means every 100 landing page views, you will get 5 sales. So that's 5% conversion rate, which is not bad, by the way. So to achieve 50 sales, you will need 1000 landing page views. So what is your KPI? Is landing page views. You wanting to generate traffic to your website that converts, and you want 50 sales. That's your target, because that's going to give you $10,000 sales revenue. Now look at the data from your previous ads if you ran before. If you haven't, then no problem, go ahead and set up the campaign with your audience targeting. Put all the detail like demographics, What are you targeting? What are their behaviors, interests? What locations you want to target them? And put your preferred budget. Just put a random budget. Now this is because you wanting to get some estimated results forecast from Facebook. Now Facebook will tell you this is what you're going to get every single day. So let's say your daily budget is $10 and Facebook says that you're going to get 10 landing page views, which means that one landing page views is going to cost you $1. So this way you can prepare your budget accordingly. But don't worry, when you set up this campaign, this is a draft. You can discard it if you're not yet ready to launch, because you're just wanting to get some data beforehand, and that's going to help you set up, plan the perfect budget. It will tell you how many landing page views you can get at your selected budget. Now, as an example, let's say if one landing page view is going to cost you 80 cents, then to get 1000 landing page views, your budget should be $800. Remember, what was our objective? To get $10,000 of sales revenue, and based on that 5% conversion rate, we needed 1000 landing page views. Now, based on the estimated forecasted data that we got from Facebook, it tells us that one landing page views is going to cost us 80 cents. Now, to get that 1000 landing page views, your budget should be $800. So with a budget of $800, you can achieve your sales target of $10,000. So this is how you can calculate a budget for your Facebook ads campaign. So wrapping up, before you start a campaign, you must know your goal, which was conversion, which was to get more sales, and the sales number that you want to achieve from your Facebook ads campaign. And then, based on your sales conversion rate and ad targeting, check with Facebook ads to calculate the estimated results you can get. In the end, based on that, decide your budget. This is how you plan a perfect budget for your ads campaign. I hope you find this useful, and if you like it, do hit the like button and do consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you.